Welcome to day 22 of my 60-day phase 2 bulking phase challenge. As I continue on my upper body workout because of my injury, as you are aware, this is my normal warm-up routine that I used to do, and it has helped me to recover at this moment and gain strength, because if you experience an injury during your workout routines and you stop working out a little bit, you lose all the strength and all the gains you have. But you don't have to focus on resting most of the time. You have to also try to work out some parts of your body, like what I'm doing right now. And this is a two-part video, and this is because this is the warm-up session. I'll also show you the main workout session, so you get an idea of how I managed to continue working out during my injury. And like as I said on my video which I posted yesterday, that I'll be going to the new gym in the next few days. Stay tuned, subscribe, drop a comment below, also like this video and share it. Thank you for watching. I'll make sure that my future content is more interesting and more enjoyable.